Do you have a bunny joke?
Tell me something bunny.
I was thinking you know bunny.
You're no bunny till some bunny loves you.
That's the one. Did you see those dinosaurs?
I did. See the raptors hiding in the bushes?
Ooh. Oh no.
They have all kinds of stuff in here.
Who doesn't love the elevated train going around the Christmas shop?
It's
Galore.
a tourist destination.
A destination.
Okay, today we're continuing our series of exploring your own backyard. We are going to take you guys to a landmark that has been here for 80 years. We are going to the amazing North Fort Myers Shell Factory.
Yep, that's right. The Shell Factory. Oh wow, when we first moved here, they have the waltzing waters, which if you've ever been to the Bellagio, that's what they had.
It's kind of a neat old Florida tourist attraction.
Roadside attraction.
Roadside attraction. So we're going to take you there and let you check it out.
All right, coming up to the Shell Factory.
You can just look at the sign and it just beckons you to come in and check out the Shell Factory. Okay, where?
Oh yeah, this place is popular. They have the bumper boats over here. Oh, look at the turtles.
Yeah.
They have the zip line.
Yeah, it comes right across the lake there.
Yep.
Oh look, they even have a chair you can sit in.
With an eagle on it. No, I don't think I'm going to be doing that. Cute little carousel.
Shooting gallery. Oh, this is
The mining.
yeah, the gem mining.
And they have a nature park here. Oh yeah. Welcome to the Shell Factory. Look at the big turtles.
These are box turtles on steroids.
Whoa.
Look at that. Oh,
Hello.
big yawn.
This one over here doesn't want to leave his bed this morning.
Box turtle.
Yeah, he's in a box. The box
He's in a
turtle
box.
is in a box. That's funny. I don't care who you are. Oh, look, there's more. Hello. Look at you. You're sunning yourselves. Oh, yeah.
Do not feed me.
Careful, I may bite you.
Can't see me, look around the corner. Yeah.
Hi there, little kookaburra. Cute. And I gotta take a picture
Okay.
for my friend in Australia.
These are the ringtail lemurs. There they are. Back there in the back on the ground.
They are. Oh, they look comfortable.
Red ruff lemurs. Boris and Natasha. From the Bullwinkle and Rocky show.
Motley.
Oh, look at that. Let's go around. There he is. So the nature trail is actually a home for rescued animals. It started as a nature park and it grew into a rescue facility. He's hanging around.
Hanging out.
You can't eat that, buddy.
Big birds. That was cool. They have a butterfly garden and I actually see butterflies. Do you see the butterflies?
I do.
Wow.
These are all parakeets.
All right, show me these parakeets.
Look at them.
Wow, right here, look at this blue one.
Yeah, they're all
Oh, how
parakeets.
pretty.
There's a blue one up on
Oh, this is a great aviary for them. This is lovely. Hi.
Looks like it might even be some quail.
Hi.
That's a minor bird up there. I know what that is. These are free range parakeets.
They really are. They are living the life. He's yellow. Look at him. How cute.
Here we have sloth. And there they are, back up there is Sid and Sylvia.
I only see
He's
one
a
back
three-toed sloth up there. This is such a cool little nature park zoo. We have Dinosaur Land here. We'll walk through the Dinosaur Land. Oh, they even have dinosaur sounds. That's a raptor.
From Utah.
Very Jurassic Park.
There's a camel. Did you see it?
I did see the camel.
He was right here. Hello, Mr. Camel. Goofy. It says his name is Goofy.
Yeah.
The dromedary camel. Oh, this is the petting zoo. Oh my goodness.
This is the aviary. Look at this beautiful male peacock over here. Oh, the colors on him are just amazing. We actually have wild peacocks here in Southwest Florida, but he is gorgeous. What a beautiful, beautiful bird. I think he's looking for food.
You're pretty. Look at the blues and greens.
Got turkeys. Well, hello there, Indy. And they are cotamundis.
Wow.
Oh, that's cool. Well, thank you for coming down so I could take a picture of you. That was awesome. It's a little like an anteater and a little like a lemur.
Wow.
Look at that face.
Oh, he's so close.
Look at you. Aren't you beautiful? It says princess. Is this you? Are you princess?
Oh, a circle. Hi.
Can't have a nature park in Florida without a few gators.
Oh yeah, that's quite a few. 1, 2, at least half a dozen.
He's waving.
Hi.
That's kind of cool. We're gonna go over now and check out some of the shops. Let's wander a few aisles here.
Oh my gosh, Brad. My grandma used to do this.
Yeah, my mother had turtles like that.
Yep. Art out of shells. Yeah, fond memories of my grandma doing that.
Every shell imaginable is for sale. There's some sea fans that have been dried. And there's a post office here if you want to mail it home. Hey, no home is complete without a gator head.
You can get them here.
Night lights, seashells. You're bound to find the one you're looking for.
This is definitely a
Yeah.
tourist trap. Souvenir shop
It's
galore.
a tourist destination.
A destination. And what a huge gift shop.
They do have some restaurants here. And they do sell adult beverages here as well. So the Nature Park and Zoo is $14 per person, or $9 if you're military. And they also have a senior discount. It's a wonderful way to spend a day here in Fort Myers, Florida, and kind of get a piece of old Florida history, I think.
Oh yeah.
So might be something you guys want to check out if you find yourself in the area.
What's your favorite roadside attraction? Would you stop here? Let us know down in the comments.
Let us know if you've ever been here
Yeah.
down in the comments.
Absolutely.